Hi everyone, welcome to Unacademy Plus. I am Niyati from the creative team and I'm here to take you through a series of videos that we have planned on design and content. This particular video is an overview of the content that we have planned and that we will cover over the next few days. So let's get right into it. Now we know that a lot of our educators go through the grind of creating presentations day in and day out. And we were wondering as to how we can assist you in making this process more enjoyable. So why is it that designing your presentations make your lessons even better? Because having consistent and clear slides communicates the content legibly. When the content is legible, the learners can read it, which hence makes them understand it better. And then with the experience and expertise that our educators bring to the platform, having a well-designed presentation only makes the classes more interesting. This in turn is the perfect combination that we could ask for, which is having the best educators on our platform with the best content. So how can we assist you to make your presentations better? Here we have planned a series of 4 short videos wherein the first one will be on emphasizing content, the second will be on where and how you can get good free fonts, the third will be a guide through PowerPoint, and the fourth will be tips and tricks that can help and come handy while you're making your presentation. In the first video on emphasizing content, I talk about how adding graphs, maps, tables, having your content broken down into bullets rather than larger paragraphs helps your learners understand and makes the entire learning experience better. Then how you can add font style, sizes and colors help in making the entire learning experience and even the structure and the hierarchy within a presentation better. Thirdly, the importance of order, alignment and spacing. These become incredibly important, especially because most of our learners are viewing the classes on their phones. Fourthly, the legible handwriting, the importance of it. Because a lot of our live classes end up becoming notes for our learners that they either may refer to post a class, or if say someone of our learners have missed a class, then this plays an important role for them to be able to read what has been written during a class. Lastly, in this particular video, I'll talk about the web sources that you can refer to get copyright-free images. Now, we understand that you may or may not have knowledge of where you could get images that are copyright-free. So, images that say you would like to add as on the introductory slide, or in certain topics where you believe that adding an image makes it better for a learner to understand the content, this is where this source could come in handy. In the second video of the series, I will talk about good free fonts. Now, certain web sources that you can refer to download fonts that say you may not have already installed into your say laptop or your desktop. The second, I will cover our top 3 to 6 recommended fonts that you could download out of that particular video. The importance of consistency throughout your presentation, even if it's, say we're talking about one lesson. Now, the importance here is that when you have a presentation that has a consistent font usage, the learner can hence focus more on what is being taught than on the changing formats of the presentation. Lastly, in this particular video, I will talk about the best sizes that you should use so that the written font is legible and readable, the different weights that you should say avoid or that you should do that are great things that you should incorporate, and how color can help to highlight and emphasize certain content. In the third video, I'll take you through PowerPoint. Here I will maybe go through certain features that are important, how you can use templates that are presets and customize and personalize them for your usage, how you can use the header and footer features. Say a footer feature could be used, say you'd like to add your name on every slide of your presentation. This is where the footer feature could come in handy. And lastly, how you can add images, how do you align them in a presentation, how do you move them around, how can you add certain effects that further emphasizes and helps your learners imagine something that's being taught during a particular lesson. This is the few of the things that we'll cover in this particular video. In the last video of this series, we will give out certain tips and tricks, certain do's and don'ts, and clarify all doubts that you may have through the course. Say something that we have missed out and something you think that we could cover. We'd be more than happy to incorporate all of this in this particular video. So please feel free to comment below on this video so that we get enough time to prepare like all you educators get out there, so we can make the best class and the best experience for our educators as well. So thank you so much for your time, and we can't wait to get started. I hope you're as excited as I am to take part in this series with me, and I will learn from you, and hopefully you can learn from me, and we can make amazing presentations going forth. Thank you so much, and I'll see you very soon.